easier rap get, the harder to find me. I wonder if I would've started once for Fonzie. Young but a nigga started catching them bodies. When the Vatican was still the life of the party. The harder the process, the cut of the whole mess. I'm betting on being the best of my generation. Go out and be patient, in my hands you the safest. It don't matter who up next, on top of your mind. Like the one who sent you that long text. Living my life, are you vexed? You're hearing your likeness in my new raps, it's true that. It might be a story but sure ain't no cap. Cause plenty like you came up from nothing to a few plaques. A Bentley or two, who would've knew that? I go baby that. Go we kalala my dude, you should've seen. Get for funny little niggas in group chats. Got a mind of my own, I'm taking everything inside of the zone. It's too easy.
Shit, nothing making sense out here. Nothing making sense out here. We be putting work in, and we be locked in. That's why I'm about to reach. Ain't making no friends right now, it's all business. Down in the dirt, been planting my fence. Just give me the facts on. Gotta feed back the dependence, cause I'm the soundtrack when you're having your breakfast. But the music don't sell, they just pay me with interest. But nonetheless, I wrestle with a demon called denial every now and then. If you ain't man, ain't making money, you ain't making sense. I've been digging the trenches up on my own mind. Lay it all down like I'm making up for lost time.
I'm tired of giving so much of myself for a price that ain't my worth. No lie, I cannot tell. I got so much pride, super size, do this thing so well. I know God gave me the strength. If you ever need some help, I'm for you if you want the real. I hate that I gotta ask. The truth is hard to sell. Tell me if you want the real. 100%, 100%. I'll be the last defense. No one can make it past. You know I represent. You know I represent. I'll be the last defense. No one can make it past. You know I represent. You know I represent. I'm tired of giving so much of myself for a price that ain't my worth. No lie, I cannot tell. I got so much pride, super size, do this thing so well. I know God gave me the strength. If you ever need some help, I'm for